Good day sa aking viewer. Dito kami ngayon sa Texas. Ibiyahe. Good day everyone. Viewers, dito kami sa Texas. It's my first time here. Ooh, they have duckies here. Oh my, mama!
Captain, hold on, everybody.
This is our second time in Duckies. We were,
I don't think you're supposed to
uh,
be doing that shit. Santa
what
Claus,
place is it
man.
again?
I thought it was
Yesterday at Duckies?
Bucky's.
We're
Huh?
Duckies.
No, what place was it again yesterday?
Where we went yesterday?
Yeah?
Bucky's.
Bussies. We
It's
went
the
to
same.
we went to Bussies, Mom.
Oh my.
Now we're in Duckies.
No, what I meant the place.
Oh, the look.
Location.
I don't know where it was. I don't remember.
Mississippi?
It's in location number 1.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Good luck. Hope you figure it out.
Are we going down now?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
But we'll park over there.
Okay.
Right now, we're just gonna get gas.
Alright.
Is baby awake or no?
Huh?
Is baby awake?
Sleeping.
Still sleeping? Okay.
Sleeping Beauty.
Yep. Oh, I gotta pee.
Ducky's store and gas station at the same time. Is a very busy place.
Oh.
The other place was 2.2.
It's like a market.
So expensive.
Lots of people.
2.7?
I
How much
know.
is the gas in Mayport? Probably like 2.8.
So this is the second Ducky's
I
that
thought you
went
guys
to.
need gas. Mayport next gas price.
It's a very popular place. Ducky's, sorry.
There's a lot of weird sounding birds here.
Yeah. $3.30. $3.10. $3. $3.10.
$2.89.
Not by what I'm looking at.
That's racetrack.
It's literally mobile racetrack Circle K. Oh, you're still taking video? Oh.
How much?
I can't tell if
per
you're
gallon
Asian
here?
or Chinese. Per gallon?
Yeah.
2.7.
Oh, yesterday it was 2.1.
2.2.
Wow. It's the
Expensive.
cheapest gallon per
It's the
gallon.
cheapest system in the world.
Video mode. Recording started.
Alright.
This card because I gotta pee.
I got shit. No buying.
No.
Unless you guys need something bad.
No.
There's people around me. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of here.
Mm.
The multiple entrance to Buckhead. Are you scanning too?
Yes, I hear you.
These birds are not afraid of
Oh,
people. Not afraid to people. It's humans.
Here, I'll get it. Sorry. Yeah, go over there. Huh? Oh, your seatbelt. Wouldn't you feel stupid if we're driving so slow, but you still flew forward at your face? You wouldn't? Okay, there's the worst part. Over here, okay, pull more. Yeah.
Madison Field.
Is this a parking spot?
No idea.
What is...
I can't
No
tell.
idea.
I cannot tell.
I can't tell either.
One thing I like about buses is the parking lot.
Are we all going or just the two of you?
We're we're all gonna use the restroom.
Huh?
We're all gonna use the
Let's
restroom.
go, Mom.
We're all gonna go.
Oh,
Let's go, Mom.
okay, so this is it for now. We're going down.
Let's grab the trash.
We also have trash. Yeah, I'm not gonna eat the legs.